Price reduced $50,000. Welcome to Shepherd South, located in Lakeland, Florida. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, kitchen, dining room, laundry room, bonus room, Inground Pool, detached 3-car garage with upstairs loft, RV Carport, and a workshop on a half-acre lot. There is no homeowners association, HOA, in this community. The kitchen appliances were replaced in 2021 and include a double oven. The solar water heater will help with your electric bills. The 18 by 19 bonus room is air-conditioned by a mini-split unit and could be further remodeled into a family room, game room, bedroom, or whatever you need it to become. The windows in the home were replaced in 2019. The master bath features a mildew resistant shower replaced in 2023. The guest bath was replaced in 2022. The in-ground pool is 15 by 30, 6 feet deep at the deep end, and screened with a large deck for entertaining. The detached 3-car garage is 23 by 35 with a long driveway and will handle all your needs. Follow the stairs to the side of the garage upstairs to an unfinished loft 14 by 36. It is just used for storage now, but you can make it into anything you want. The 20 by 20 RV carport is in the fenced backyard with 2 gate entrances. It would also handle a large boat if you don't have an RV. There is also an 11 by 19 workshop in the backyard with power and water for all your tools. AC 2023, roof 2007. Sold as is. Cash or conventional only. Price reduced so buyer can make any repairs, upgrades, or renovations desired. All sizes approximate. Call for a showing today,